Firstly, I want to say, don't just limit yourself to Alibaba, because global sources is also great. And I also use DHgate as well. So I use DHgate, I use global sources, I use Alibaba, all good. All right. So you can use all those. So how do you find a good supplier? Well, let's just stick with our thing. Chopping board for fish. So you can just do your search, whatever it is you're searching for. Click gold supplier. Gold suppliers are people that spend anywhere from, I think it's like $5,000 a year, US dollars a year, to be gold suppliers. And so it's a good bet that anybody that is a gold supplier is not dicking around. And also look here, so this person here has been a gold supplier for 15 years. Now, if they are ripping people off, that gold supplier gets taken off them. So these have been a gold supplier for 15 years. They've been a gold supplier for 5 years. These are good companies. Very, very simple way of finding great companies to do that. That's what I do. And then you want to also click through. And depending on what you're sourcing, of course, you'd also look for, see if we can find if they've got certifications. So you also look for their certifications as well. So this is who they sell to, but you can look for their certifications too. I look for that. That's the easiest ways to go sourcing and to go find great suppliers, is just to do those two things, and you'll get rid of 99% of the dross by doing that. And as I said, I also source from global sources, which is great. They're really good. I like global sources. And you should definitely see if I can find it for you. It's not on here, but get on there. Go and create a buyer account and get on their newsletters, because it's a really good newsletter. You should do that for sure, regardless. And DHgate, also great, and another good place to go buy too. And you compare the prices against all of them. It works really well. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.